There's a lot to think about as a new coach, but keep these 5 things top of mind and you'll be off to a head start.
The number one priority is just to make sure that the kids are safe. Creating a physically safe environment, creating an emotionally safe environment as well, because the parents are entrusting their most prized possession to you. Make sure that you understand what your role is, and that is to make the child's experience a positive one. As a new coach coming in, right, you got to model a positive behavior, so hopefully they have a positive experience, when they're playing. And one of the best things you can do is just get to know your child. When they come on the field, greet them saying, "Hey, glad you're here," and try and say their name 2 or 3 times in practice. The other thing a coach needs to do is try to understand them as opposed to being understood. Physically, what can they do? Cognitively, what can they do? And socially, where are they at? When I was first coaching, I was very impatient, and I found out, well, you know what, maybe I need to ask them a question or two why they did what they did. Again, to try and understand it, as opposed for me yelling at them, right, and hope that they understand me. The laws of the game. They need to know what the rules are, the simple rules, and great coaches are great teachers. The saying is coaches are teachers in shorts, right? But a piece of paper or a license doesn't make you a great coach. What makes you a great coach is that the kids that play for you know that you care truly about them. Not about their performance, but about them.